Hey there, awesome people. Welcome to my channel's very first video. I'm Shivani and I'm here to share my passion for illustrations with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a purple sequin dress. So first, we're going to start by making a basic sketch, keeping in mind the posture and how you want to style your dress. Like how you want the hairs to be like, or do you want her to carry a handbag, or do you want to add some accessories? Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. I encourage you to get creative. Experiment with different poses, silhouettes, and styles. Add in some accessories, or change her hairstyle if you like. Fashion illustration is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. And hey, if you're new to fashion illustrations, this is just the beginning. I've got tons more tutorials and tips coming your way to help you level up your fashion illustration game. I'm using a 0.05 technical pen here to outline the illustration. So we're done with outlining the illustration, and now we come to the dress. So keep in mind how a sequin reflects in light. So I'm using a pencil color here to give me an idea of where there are shadows and where there are highlights in the dress. Now I'm using a darker purple sketch pen to make the shadows of the dress. Now that I'm more sure of the shadows and the highlights, I'm making the highlights more darker using the same purple pencil color that I used earlier. Now it's almost giving sequin, but we need to blend these colors together so it gives a more realistic look. So I'm using a blue pencil color to blend these colors together to make it more realistic. Now at the end, I'm using a silver glitter pen to add more shimmer to the dress. So we're done with the dress. I hope you like it. And now we come to the skin. So we're starting the same way. We are first adding the shadows with a sketch pen here. And now I'm using a pencil color to make the highlights. Now remember how we blended the shadows and the highlights together with a neutral color? We're gonna do the same thing with the skin color. So I'm using this darker shade to blend these two together to give it a more realistic look. So this is the most fun part for me, is doing makeup. So here I am adding some blush on her cheeks, a little bit on the nose, and we're going with classic red lip. For the hairs, I used a pencil color to make the highlights, and I'm using a brown sketch pen to make the shadows. A little bit shading at the end with black pencil color to make it more realistic. Now I'm adding some final touches using a black technical pen. And there you have it, everyone, a beautiful purple sequin dress. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and remember, art is all about expression, so don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. Thanks a bunch for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this art sesh, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Until next time, stay groovy and keep those creative juices flowing. Happy sketching, everyone!